Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru, and in this video we will go through 49 important general knowledge questions and answers based on the general science chemistry. So these are the questions which may get asked in the competitive exams like SSC, MPSC, banking exams, railway exams. So let's start. First question is in which of the following during the emission of radioactive rays no changes occur in the mass or charge? Option A, beta emission. Option B, gamma emission. Option C, oxidation. Option D, alpha emission. So the correct answer is option B, gamma emission. Nucleon is the name which is used. Option A, electron and proton. Option B, proton and neutron. Option C, electron and neutron. And option D, none of these. So the answer is option B, proton and neutron. Table salt NaCl is a byproduct of option A, weak acid and weak base. Option B, strong acid and strong base. Option C, weak acid and strong base. Option D, strong acid and weak base. So the answer is option B, strong acid and strong base. Cobalt 60 is commonly used in radiation therapy because it emits option A, alpha rays. Option B, beta rays. Option C, gamma rays. And option D, X rays. So the correct answer is option C, gamma rays. Age of fossil may be found out by determining the ratio of two isotopes of carbon. The isotopes are option A, C12 and C13. Option B, C12 and carbon block. Option C, C12 and C14. And option D, C13 and C14. So the correct answer is option C, C12 and C14. Which one among the following is the major constituent of soda lime glass? Option A, sodium oxide. Option B, calcium oxide. Option C, calcium carbonate. Option D, silica. Answer is option B, calcium oxide. The element whose oxidation state in its every compound is the same is option A, carbon. Option B, fluorine. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, oxygen. So the correct answer is option B, fluorine. Which one of the following heaviest element is of nickel group? Option A, platinum. Option B, radium. Option C, palladium. Option D, iron. So the correct answer is option A, platinum. The air is an example of option A, the solution of solid in the gas. Option B, the solution of gas in the gas. Option C, the solution of liquid in the gas. And option D, the solution of liquid in the solid. So the correct answer is option B, the solution of gas in the gas. Which of the following is called philosopher's wool? Option A, zinc bromide. Option B, zinc nitrate. Option C, zinc oxide. Option D, zinc chloride. So the correct answer is option C, zinc oxide. Which one among the following methods is not effective in removing arsenic from contaminated groundwater? Option A, boiling. Option B, coagulation at absorption. Option C, ion exchange. Option D, reverse osmosis. Answer is option B, coagulation adsorption. The catalyst used in the production of ammonia by the Haber's process is option A, nickel. Option B, iron. Option C, platinum. Option D, molybdenum. So the answer is option D, molybdenum. Nylon is made of option A, polyethylene. Option B, polypropylene. Option C, polyamide. Option D, polyester. Answer is option C, polyamide. Chlorofluorocarbon is also known by the name of option A chloroform, option B freon, option C glycerol, option D marsh gas. Answer is option B freon. The polymer obtained through the condensation of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid is option A toluene, option B bakelite, option C nylon 66, option D terylene. Answer is option C nylon 66. The strong smell of a substance which is used in the coloration or painting is option A CaOH, option B Al2SO4 by 3, option C CaCO3, and option D Zn3PO4 by 2. Answer is option D Zn3PO4 by 2. Which one of the following is the heaviest metal? Option A copper, option B uranium, option C aluminium, option D silver. Answer is option B uranium. Which one of the following sets of elements was primarily responsible for the origin of life on the earth? Option A hydrogen, oxygen and sodium, option B carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen, option C oxygen, calcium and phosphorus, option D carbon, hydrogen and potassium. Answer is option A hydrogen, oxygen and sodium. Which one among the following polymers is used for making bulletproof material? Option A polyvinyl chloride, option B polystyrene, option C polyethylene, option D polyamide. Answer is option B polystyrene. Which of the following is the most reactive among the halogens? Option A fluorine, option B chlorine, option C bromine, and option D iodine. Correct answer is option A fluorine. The chemist who propounded the vital force theory of the power of life is option A Berzelius, option B Wöhler, option C Kolbe, option D Berthelot. The correct answer is option A Berzelius. Which of the following is obtained by the fractional distillation of the wood? Option A acetic acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C pyroligneous acid, option D formic acid. The correct answer is option C pyroligneous acid. The cloths made of polyester after the cleaning are easily and quickly dried because option A water is vaporized quickly, option B very small amount of water is actually absorbed by polyester, option C polyester is a water remover by the nature, and option D polyester easily absorb the heat through the water. So the answer is option B very small amount of water is actually absorbed by the polyester. Next question is which of the following is not a natural polymer? Option A wool, option B silk, option C leather, option D nylon. So the answer is option D, that is nylon, which is not a natural polymer. Which of the following metal is to be found in the free state? Option A aluminium, option B gold, option C iron, and option D lead. The answer is option B gold. Which one of the following is not biodegradable? Option A woolen mat, option B silver foil, option C leather bag, option D jute basket. The answer is option B silver foil. Which of the following is called Nobel's oil? Option A trinitroglycerin TNG, option B trinitrothenol, option C TNT, option D nitroglycerin. The correct answer is option A trinitroglycerin TNG. The shape of the methane molecule is option A angular, option B coplanar, option C linear, option D tetrahedral. The answer is option D tetrahedral. Almost all explosion occurs in the mines by option A the mixture of nitrogen and with oxygen, option B the mixture of acetylene with oxygen, option C the mixture of air with methane, option D the mixture of CO2 with ethane. Answer is option C the mixture of air with methane. During First World War, which of the following gas was used as a chemical weapon? Option A carbon monoxide, option B hydrogen cyanide, option C mustard gas, option D burning vapor. The correct answer is option C mustard gas. The carbon tetrachloride is also known as option A marsh gas, option B mustard gas, option C pyrene, and option D pyrrole. The correct answer is option C pyrene. The end product of an alcoholic fermentation is option A pyruvic acid, option B acetaldehyde, option C ethyl alcohol, option D formic acid. The correct answer is option C ethyl alcohol. The medicine urotropin used in the urinary diseases is prepared from option A chloroform, option B nitrobenzene, option C acetic acid, option D formaldehyde. The correct answer is option D formaldehyde. The vinegar is a solution of option A 5% acetic acid in water, option B 25% acetic acid in water, option C 50% acetic acid in water, option D 40% acetic acid in water. The correct answer is option A 5% of acetic acid in water. The first synthesis of urea in the laboratory was done by option A Williamson, option B Kolbe, option C Wohler, option D Berthelot. The correct answer is option C Wohler. The chemical name of tear gas is option A acetophenone, option B benzophenone, option C alpha bromo acetophenone, and option D alpha chloro acetophenone. The correct answer is option D alpha chloro acetophenone. Which of the following is a polymer? Option A vinyl chloride, option B urea, option C starch, and option D styrene. The correct answer is option C starch. The first man-made artificial silk is option A rayon, option B nylon, option C polyester, option D terracotta. The correct answer is option B nylon. The explosive nitroglycerin is a option A salt, option B nitrohydrocarbon, option C complex hydrocarbon, and option D ester. The correct answer is option D ester. Aspirin is an option A antibody, option B antipyretic, option C moderate, and option D none of these. So aspirin is an option B, that is antipyretic. The liquid used in making dynamite is option A nitroglycerin, option B oleic acid, option C lactic acid, option D maloic acid. So the correct answer is option A nitroglycerin. How many atoms are present in 46 gram of Na23? N is the Avogadro number. Option A n by 2, option B n, option C twice n, option D 23n. So the correct answer is option C 2n. The atomic number of which of the following elements is more than that of phosphorus? Option A aluminium, option B silicon, option C chlorine, option D magnesium. So the correct answer is option C chlorine. The chemical properties of the element depend upon option A, the number of electrons present in the outer orbit of the atomic element, option B, the number of isotopes of the element, option C, the mass number of the element, option D, the number of neutrons present in the atomic element. So the correct answer is option A, the number of electrons present in the outer orbit of the atomic element. The basic principle of nuclear reactors is option A, fusion, option B, radioactivity, option C, fission, option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, fission. Which of the following element has always its oxidation number 1? Option A, F, option B, Cl, option C, Br, and option D, I. So the correct answer is option A, F, fluorine. The estimated pH value of the human blood is option A, 7.4, option B, 7.9, option C, 6.7, option D, 8.1. So the correct answer is option A, 7.4. The nature of which chemical reaction is always endothermic? Option A, combustion reaction, option B, decomposition reaction, option C, displacement reaction, and option D, combination reaction. So the correct answer is option B, decomposition reaction. Which of the following is not fossil fuel? Option A, coal, option B, oil, option C, peat, option D, electricity. So the answer is option D, electricity. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Government Guru for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification updates. Thank you.